Hello folks, it's been a while since we did a Rev Eats episode here on Rev. So I thought it being National Day and all, we'll drop by my mom's place and see what's cooking. Hello folks, that's right, we're now in my mom's kitchen and this is my mom Celine, by the way. So mom, what are we cooking in the kitchen today?
Oh, we're making special lamb curry.
Special lamb curry, we're calling it the National Day lamb curry. And before we go any further, let's check out all the ingredients. And there you go folks, my mom's very special National Day lamb curry. So mom, tell us a bit more about the lamb curry.
The lamb curry, actually you can, I think it depends on your likeness, whether you want it a bit drier and with some gravy in it,
Right.
and all that depends on you. But it can also be used with chicken, mutton and beef.
That's right. And then also I think with different meats that you cook, there's a different timing as well
Yes,
on how you cook it as well. And what about the rice mom?
Rice is just plain basmati rice. Which is simple, actually very very simple. This is just a plain but briyani rice. There are so many ways of cooking this, but I did it in a very simple way, and I think you'll enjoy it.
That's right. You can actually cook it plain, or you can cook it like nasi biryani. You can even add cashew nuts. That's right. So and then raisins as well. So there's really a lot of options on how you can actually cook it. That's right. The reason why we use a pressure cooker, because when it comes to tougher meats like beef and lamb, we wanted to actually get cook a lot faster, which is why we use the pressure cooker. But with chicken, because it's a really easy meat to cook, you can actually cook without a pressure cooker. And well, I guess that's as much as I can say. I'm really hungry and I'm about to go into my National Day lamb curry. And on behalf of everybody here at my mom's house, a happy National Day, and we'll catch you on the next episode of Rev Evolution. And also, if you want to find out more dishes about my mom, do drop me a note and I'll see what my mom can do. Alright, catch you on the next episode right here on Rev Evolution.